Here's the truth nobody wants to admit. Your brain loves starting things, and it hates finishing them. And no, it's not because you're lazy or undisciplined. It's because your brain is literally wired to get high on the beginning of things. Let me show you how this trap actually works and how to break it. You know that rush you feel when you start a new habit, buy a new notebook, begin a new plan? That excitement isn't motivation. It's dopamine, the same chemical that rewards you for scrolling Instagram for hours. And if you've ever wondered, why do I start 10 things but finish none? It's because your brain isn't obsessed with progress. It's obsessed with possibility. But that's not even the real problem. Here's the crazy part. Your brain releases more dopamine when you imagine a new goal than when you actually work on it. That's why planning feels productive, but finishing feels painful. Every habit has a phase where the excitement dies, where the reps get boring, where you don't see results yet. This is the effort wall, and your brain hates it because effort drains energy. And your brain's number one job is to save energy. So when you hit that wall, your mind whispers, hey, maybe start something new instead. A new workout plan, a new business idea, another fresh start, and you fall for it every single time. But there's a deeper reason this keeps happening, one almost nobody talks about. You don't finish things because your identity hasn't changed yet. You still see yourself as someone who tries, someone who starts, not someone who completes. Think about it. When was the last time you genuinely felt proud of finishing something? Your brain can't crave a reward it's never tasted. This identity gap creates a loop. You start things, get excited, hit the effort wall, quit, feel bad, chase excitement again. And the worst part, your brain calls this normal because repetition becomes identity. But here's where everything changes. If you want to break the addiction to starting, you need to train your brain to love finishing. And the fastest way? Make finishing unbelievably small. One page, one rep, one tiny task you can complete every day. Because when you finish something tiny, you create a microburst of pride. And pride rewires identity faster than motivation ever will. Finishing becomes your new dopamine, your new addiction. And after that, everything changes. Here's the truth. You're not broken. Your brain just learned to chase beginnings instead of endings. But today is the day you flip that script. Start something small. Finish something smaller. Train your brain to finally experience the power of completion. Because once you feel that version of yourself, you'll never go back. If you're ready to break the cycle for good, your next video starts exactly where most people quit.